Yeah, I really run it up. 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 Yeah, ain't been no games with this shit. I got that worker from Palo, they hit on my guala, then told her we made for this shit. Niggas stay working for commas, we stack up that guala, see I put my name on this shit. Flip with that smoke on that ganja, I bang for the commas, see I put my name on this shit. Hold up, you, yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch how I
really run it up, baby. If the topic is money, I'm coming up. She gon' sell to our part without coming up. I'm the man in the front, you the runner up. Really don't give a fuck, yeah. How I move, way I talk, they try pick it up. I can call when I want, she be picking up. Niggas bitches, they really be switching up. Can't play no game, I got too much to lose. Want me to fall, I got something to prove. Really still with no trace, I won't leave them a clue. In the track, I can't wreck and I painted it blue. If it's me and my shorty, we hop in the crew. My little youngers go crazy, they loving the crew. Yeah, I'm the business, can't wait to recruit. Probably, yeah, they try make me a movie. I can stand still and my diamonds keep moving. Gave them my all, try to guide them to do it. Got partners who gon' tryna guide them with music. Lil' bro don't play around, if he got it, he use it. Go against us, nigga, gotta be stupid. Ride with this thing, I gotta be moving. Every day, let them comments be moving. This shit we'll be doing inside of a movie.
I really run it up, yeah. Ain't been no games with this shit. I got that worker from Palo, they hit on my guala, then told her we made for this shit. Niggas stay working for commas, we stack up that guala, see I put my name on this shit. Flip with that smoke on that ganja, I bang for the commas, see I put my name on this shit. Hold up, you, yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch. Hold up, you, yeah, you said they watch how I move. 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 They don't trick, but they got big rocks. Bands in the whip, do the dash from the cops. Chain looking bliss with the pole on my hip. Let me go, I'm equipped, but don't bang with the ops. Pain to regret, but it's more that I get. Really made for this shit, when he made it, don't stop. Say heaven sent, I was made for the flip. I was made for this shit, and I bang for the block. Beam in the jag, got the Benz on the lot. When they cap me a crib, just to park up the drop. Fuck do you mean? I was lost in the drought. Got a bag coming into the stars, and I'm out. Money coming in, so you know a nigga going. Down when I flip, so you know a nigga throw it. Style ever since in the game, I'ma get. Got no time for this shit, get the bag, you know it, bitch. I really run it up, yeah. Ain't been no games with this shit. I got that worker from Palo, they hit on my guala, then told her we made for this shit. Niggas stay working for commas, we stack up that guala, see I put my name on this shit. Flip with that smoke on that ganja, I bang for the commas, see I put my name on this shit. Hold up, you, yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch. Hold up, you, yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said they watch how I move. Yeah, you said.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model kid, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, yeah, that shit look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She wax it all off, Mr. Miyagi. And them suicide doors, Ari Kari. Look at me now, look at me now, oh. I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh. Look at me now, yeah. Fresh to the motherfucker. Little nigga, bigger than gorilla, cause I'm killing every nigga that can try to be on my shit. Better cuff your chick, if you with it, I can get it. And she accidentally slip and fall on my dick. Oops, I said on my dick. I ain't really mean to say on my dick, but since we talking about my dick, all of you here to say hi to it. I'm done.
Hell, Breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. Go! She really wanna pop me. Go! Just know that you will never flop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. Go! You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it. Then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clearer to a couple niggas that I always win and then I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death, and now I move a little foul. A nigga better call a ref, and everybody know my style. And niggas know that I'm the best when it come to doing this. And I be banging on my chest, and I bang in the east, and I banging in the west. And I kinda give you more, and I would never give you less. You will hear it in the street, or you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Let's go. See the way we on it, and we all up in the race. And you know we gotta go now, try to keep up with the pace. And we struggling and hustling and set it and to get it. And we always gotta do it, take it to another place. Gotta taste it, and I gotta grab it. And I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be at the top of the throne. But I know I gotta have it. Have it.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah. Fresh to the motherfucker.
Man, fuck these bitch ass niggas. How y'all doing? I'm Lil Tunche. I'm a nuisance. I go stupid. I go dumb like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi. I'm the shit. No, I'm pollution. No substitution. Got a bitch that play in movies in my jacuzzi. Pussy juicy. I never give a fuck about a hater. Got money on my radar. Dressed like a skater. Got a big house. Came with an elevator. You niggas ain't eating. Fucking tell a waiter. Marley say shoot him and I say okay. If you want that bullshit, then I'm like, oh late. I don't care what you say. So don't even speak. Your girlfriend a freak like Cirque du Soleil. That's word to my flag. And my flag red. I'm out of my head, bitch. I'm out of my mind. From the bottom I climb. You ain't hotter than mine. Nope, not on my time. And I'm not even trying. What's poppin', slime? Nothing five. And if they trippin', fuck them five. I ain't got no time to shuck and jive. These niggas this sweet as pumpkin pie. So I can Sprite on a private flight. Bitch, I've been tight since God in life. And my pocket's right. And my diamonds white. And my mama's nice. And my dad is dead. You faggot scared. Cause I'm too wild. Been here for a while. I was like, fuck trial. I put it down. I'm so young money. If you got eyes, look at me now. Bitch.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah. I'm fresher than a motherfucker. Okay. Okay. Is that right? I'm fresher than a motherfucker.
It starts with
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust
This is the rap of Aquarius, I am the black metal terrorist, ain't no comparison. You Mediterranean, bitch, I'm a veteran, better than anyone comprehend. Snake in the grass, cut the copperhead. Hollow tips point at a copperhead, drop a head, popping the clock to the copper dead. But Bishop can ride a mess, that is the biggest hypocrisy. I don't see nobody stopping me. Bro, your whole life is a mockery. I'm militant, mind on the million. Civilian, I am the realest bitch. No Gilligan, put me on the island. Smoking on the island till a nigga look silent. Straight through your crew like a motherfucking virus. Cloud on Confederate, breaking up barriers. Federation in your area. If I'm a pigeon, I got you a pussy. And pussies are scared of Retaria. Whoop, run on your paper. Killer Curry, keep on catching the cable. Dominating, common denominator. After map, you can jet to the map later. As a teenager, I was the underdog under the Raiders. Valuable player, Jumbo Jackson, slamming packs full of passion. Satisfaction with the lack of compassion. It's a maverick, hella gasping, but actually I am that nigga entirely. The same ones that inspire me be the same ones that wanna retire me, nigga. In the nighttime, keep me out of sight. It's the poltergeist. When I'm ghost, I'ma cut the line. Now you out of mind. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. In the nighttime, keep me out of sight. It's the poltergeist. When I'm ghost, I'ma cut the line. Now you out of mind. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Mystical miracle, I build imperial. I'm analytical. While I don't have to be off to the clinical. Now we're identical, black individual, no biochemical serve. For the cops, state of opposition. And these halfway niggas and these halfway hoes wanna be buddy, they see you at a show. But be the main ones that be hating on the low. Wait, that's just irrelevant. They got the fat when you look at my melanin. Whoa. Cops killing niggas killing brothers. Niggas hate each other, don't know where the fuck this came from. We're the ones that pay dues. I don't watch Fox News, don't mean them of a Fox to slide. Find little white girls, but let you die. Not like a Confederate, breaking up barriers. They just might call me a terrorist. Rather get caught with it than without it. If I keep it concealed when I carry it, I put them on paper. Send them to prison and give them free labor. Separate everyone, make sure they neighbors. Aftermath, after that, we can laugh later. Fuck all my haters. I raise up black faces, black as the Raiders. All indicators. Federation is my organization. Our relation, no religion, no races. Black to Asian, we the nation of ULT. True to you, so keep it true to me. Haters cannot put an end to me because I truly know who was my enemy, nigga. In the nighttime, keep me out of sight. It's the poltergeist. When I'm ghost, I'ma cut the line. Now you out of mind. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. In the nighttime, keep me out of sight. It's the poltergeist. When I'm ghost, I'ma cut the line. Now you out of mind. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT. Y'all niggas ain't ULT.
I am.
Shoot to score. Off-white sneaks, oops, bag, off-white, please. Somebody stop me, bitch, I'm off the leash. I made it overseas, but I need a condo over there. Immediately fuck with me, if it's the money team. Posted, kicking plenty drip, I need a yacht. Loaded, kinda tripping, bitch, since I stop. Rolling, she's off the E for the painter like a base. Fendi, Benji, plenty. Posted, kicking plenty drip, I need a yacht. Loaded, kinda tripping, bitch, since I stop. Rolling, she's off the E for the painter like a base. Fendi, Benji, plenty.
I got one shot. You lose the love and respect, that's where the trust stop. New work, top drop. I roll up every 15 minutes like a bus stop. And you can smell just how I'm smoking when I burn out. And you can catch me riding dirty, but my car not. It's love and loyalty into my heart lock. Never turn your back, won't know how it turned out. I said it once, I do it again.